Claudia, welcome back to my channel, welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, it's how to put in contacts. Colour contacts, but today I'm just going to show you prescription ones. I took about 6 months to actually learn. I tried to do it before my year 11 prom, and it's meant to take like 3 or 4 tries, and I could not get it in my eye. I was sat there for like 40 minutes to an hour just trying to get one in, and I could not do it. So I gave it up for prom, and I went blind for the photos and put my glasses on when I was inside. But then I tried again afterwards without the pressure, and it took me so long to, but I finally got them in, and now they're the easiest thing ever. So without talking any much more, so let's get into it. So to put in your contacts, you would need to do this over a sink, but I'm going to be doing it here, so I'll be using my sink equivalent. You'll also need a towel, and you need the solution and contacts. These are monthly contacts, so I have 1 pair a month. You can get daily contacts where you put them in and throw them away at the end of the day. I'm teaching you the monthly ones. It's kind of the same, but instead of like cleaning out your contacts each day before and afterwards, you just take them out of the packet, put them straight in how I'll show you, and then throw them away afterwards. So it has the solution from the last time I wore them. So I put it on my finger and I would put it into the palm of my hand dry. And then what I would do is take the solution and make a little pool in the palm of my hand to clean it out. And I would just jiggle it around a little bit, and that's all you really need. It just freshens it up a little bit. And then I would take it in the other finger and pour away down the sink. So you need to dry your hand, it's still on this finger, and you want to switch it to the opposite finger of which eye it's going in. So this is my left one, so I'd use my right finger, and you want to place it onto the tip of your finger. Now sometimes these can be a little too wet, and you would need to just dab it a few times on your palm to get the excess solution off, and then you can put it on. It needs to sit on your index finger so lightly, it cannot be too flat. And you need to look at your contact and make sure that it's the right way up. So it should be a bowl shape facing upwards. If you have a bowl but then it flicks out at the top, that means it's inside out. In order for it to sit nicely on your finger like this, your finger needs to be really, really dry, so that's where you can use a towel. What you want to do is take your other index finger and lift your lashes so that your eye is up. Bring your middle finger of the hand that is holding the contact and stretch down your eye, and then you need to place this in the middle of your eye where your actual pupil is, and then if you lightly put it on, not touching your eye, it should just grasp to your eyeball. So I'm going to be lifting my fingers up, opening it up, and you keep it open for a bit for it to fully go. You can look around so it can fully connect. And you blink. Okay, we've got the other contact. Now I'm going to do the other eye, so bring the lashes up, the eye bottom down. Struggled a bit with that one. I think it's because I hit my lashes on the bottom, and normally when you hit your lashes, it kind of doesn't really go on, but it actually did, and now I can see. Now I'm going to teach you how to actually take out a contact. So I take my finger index and I drag it down and I bring it to the corner of my eye, and I use my nail of my thumb to peel it out. And I scoop it. You're not really meant to use your nails, but I do. Even when I have acrylics, I just kind of always do it, so you've got to find out a route that's best for you. So I hope you guys did enjoy this short tutorial and it helped a few of you out. If you have any more issues, then comment questions down below and I will sure to get back to you pretty much instantly. I know it looks so much easier than it actually is, and when you are starting out, I cannot stress, it is so difficult, and I can only do it this good right now, even without a mirror, purely because I've probably been wearing contacts for like a year now and I'm so used to them. You're meant to wear contacts for 10 hours maximum a day. Sometimes I've gone over that and you can really feel it. Your eyes start to get dry and they get irritated and it's not nice. So really try to stick to the rules. And also you shouldn't be wearing them every 7 days. You should at least, if you're going to wear them every single day, then wear them for 6 days and at least have 1 day a week break. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please smash a big thumbs up to support my channel and subscribe down below for more content. I do such a variety. You won't just be seeing contact videos. Turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. I upload every single Sunday at 12 PM GMT. All my social media links are in the description box below. I love you guys so very much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!